I know it's hot girl summer, but it's still hot outside. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Amani Abi, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a little different. Recently somebody asked me what did I put on my hair for my twist, and I told them Blue Magic. And they said Blue Magic. I said yes, Blue Magic, actually, to be to be exact. You gotta make it a little bougie. Blue Magic. If you don't know about Blue Magic, then but where's your childhood? All we can remember is our parents putting this on our hair, and our hair was growing. Okay, so this is what I use to achieve my protective style of my 2-strand twist. So if you're interested in seeing how I use Blue Magic to do these twists, then stay tuned. And let's get into the video. Okay, y'all. So I know most of my twists are already done at this point. So I'm just gonna show y'all these last few twists. And don't mind if I'm looking in the mirror. So what I'm using on my hair is Texture ID Leave-In Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. And then I'm using, usually I would use Thank God It's Natural, but I ran out. So you can either use Aunt Jackie's Club La or this Talia Wajid. And it's actually for protective styles, but it's a like peppermint minty restoring serum. And if you like tingle, this is what's gonna do it for you. So I spray some of that. I'm just gonna spray some more because I already did like the whole head first. However, you know, let them dry up. So I'm just spraying some more of this on there. And then, so I'm finger parting, so that means no clean parts. We don't have time for all of that. This is just a protective style and freshly like washed and conditioned hair. And I don't know about you, but I can't part my own hair straight. It don't work out for me. But so I'm just kind of gonna take a piece. So I'm taking like medium sections. So this is medium. I know y'all see this shrinkage. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. But I'm taking this medium part, and then the infamous, as you know by the title, I'm using old school Blue Magic. Okay, you gotta make it sound. So I'm using Blue Magic, and if you don't know, back in the day, this is what our parents used to use on our hair, and it makes it grow like crazy. And yes, I still use it on my hair to this day, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know what I'm saying? So then what I'm doing is taking my hair and I'm separating it. And what you want to think about when you twisting, doing a 2-strand twist, is like a crossover method is what I like to call it. So I'm crossing it over, right? So I'm gonna undo that. Now, usually when you think of a regular twist, you just like twisting it. But when you're doing a 2-strand twist, you want to go the opposite way. So in this case, think of wrong is right. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna twist the opposite way. And just keep twisting like that. And feel free. Now I know somebody gonna ask how much Blue Magic. Now look, I say as much as your fingernail can hold. So if you know when you do a little fingernail swoop in your edge control, that's the swoop you need to do with the Blue Magic. And just keep putting it on as you go down the entire strand of the twist. And these twists are good for any type of, like, when you just want to give your hair, your natural hair, a break from putting it in a puff, or, you know, just putting it in a ponytail. Look, y'all, I know it's hot girl summer, but it's still hot outside. So let's get into it, okay? Let's get into these protective styles. I know y'all need them, because I need them. So this one actually gonna split in two. And like you can see, this is very much giving she don't know how to part. And that's okay. That's okay. Because the thing about this style is, even though it's kind of like a freestyle twist, you can still take it down after a week. And what it's gonna look like? A twist out. So it's very versatile. You can even wear these twists underneath your wig, because I'm not saying that you can't wear wigs and stuff because it's hot outside. I'm just saying your hair underneath needs to be protected. And what better way than to have 2-strand twists under it? And it definitely don't have to be parted nicely for that, because who's gonna sit under your wig? So this is just another one. And it's best to do this style on freshly like washed and conditioned hair, or even like damp, you know, hair after the shower, because it's gonna set better if the hair is damp, you know. So this one, I got my 2 pieces, and I'm just crossing it over. Just crossing it over. It's like you twisting to the right instead of twisted to the left. Usually lefty is loosey, but usually this time right is just right, okay? It's the right way to go. So think about it like that. Right is the right way to go. So that's the way I'm trying to go. I'm twisting my hair, and your hair is gonna poof up. My hair doesn't puff up as much as some other people's hair. Like, look at that. Why not it go like this? Why does one twist do like that and the other ones do like that? That'd be my issue. That'd be my issue with my hair. I don't know. Comment down below if y'all hair do that too. But like, why is it doing that? Not me trying to already find a style to rock with them. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this section, and I'm gonna be back to y'all with the finished product. Okay, y'all, so I have finished all of my twists. I'm really sure it's looking. It probably look kind of crazy with the parting, but you see I already did pinned it up to the side. I had to put me a little style in it. But yeah, the last step is I just put some oil on my scalp, and I'm gonna be using Amani's Glow Beauty Collection oil. This is from my collection. I make it myself, and it has a lot of great oils. Like olive oil, aloe vera, sunflower seed oil, and you just gonna have to get some to find out the rest, because I can't spill all the tea, you know what I'm saying? So I just loosely put this through. You don't want to over oil your head, and you can oil your scalp up to, I say 2 times a week is enough. Because you know you have so much moisture in your hair already. But if you have an extra dry scalp, you can't oil your hair 3 times a week. but you don't want to oversaturate your scalp. And then another thing I would just say, probably tie your hair down so that all of the moisture that you put in your hair while you're doing these twists and just the edges and stuff like that can be laid down. Now, if you would like to stretch your hair, like if you're going out somewhere, you can put a cool blow dryer on it, on a cool setting, blow dryer it on a cool setting. Otherwise, I would suggest letting it get air dry. And one thing, ladies, do not be ashamed of the shrinkage, okay? Because as you can see, my 2-strand twists are not big and fluffy and full, and you know, but don't let it fool you. Don't let it fool you, because your girl got hang time, okay? So I would just say, don't be ashamed. Rock your hair how it is. Everybody's hair is unique to them for a reason. But yeah, let me not get into the deep stuff. But yeah, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, then let me know, and like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.